So my name's Declan. I currently work at Leeds Mathematics School. So we are a post-16 college run by, well, as part of the University Math School network. And we've had really good experiences with F4S. So our first experience was when we did our Year 10 girls summer school. So we run a kind of summer school for aimed at kind of high attaining Year 10 girls as an underrepresented group in STEM in general, particularly at sixth form and beyond. And as part of the kind of various activities that were in there, we decided we really like to get a kind of guest speaker of someone in industry who is a kind of a good example of someone who has used maths and currently uses maths. And The speaker that we had was in charge of financial crime and financial risk and things like that. And so the students that we had that were in attendance, which I think was about 50 at the time, were really kind of engaged with the session itself. They found it really useful. They hadn't thought of this kind of thing as a career before. And some of the feedback that we've had on those particular sessions has been really positive as well, from the students themselves and from some of the members of staff who are in attendance as well. And then just last week, I think it was, we had another virtual assembly from Lloyd's of London, which again was the girls that we had brought in there had seen these two women working at Lloyd's of London, and were asking questions and had those questions answered by these people in industry. And that was really valuable to them. So we had quite a few of our students thinking about careers in those kind of industries, but not really understanding what those industries involved, particularly the one that those two speakers were talking about, because it's quite niche basically in the insurance market. And so these students again hadn't really thought of it, but the virtual assembly provided that kind of, oh, that is something that's quite interesting. Oh, that is something that uses maths and that I can study towards. And these people are just like me. And that's the kind of the feeling that we wanted to instill. And both assemblies from F4S really, really kind of hit the nail on the head for us and for our students. So yeah, we've had really, really good experiences with it. So 100% we'll be continuing to use it because of the positive impact we've seen so far. The two that we've used so far have been completely different cohorts. So the first one, the summer school, was external students, and they were year 10s and they were all girls because of the nature of the summer school that we were running. And the most recent one was it was just our students because it was during our school day, just before our open evening actually. So we essentially just got anyone who wanted to come could come in into our lecture theatre, and we just put it up on the board. And even though that's kind of two quite different cohorts of people, we still managed to get all the positive responses that we wanted from the key students that we wanted to. So specifically the girls, seeing this representation of themselves in the workplace, even though we didn't want to discriminate and allowed anyone into the second one, we still got exactly what we wanted for those girls, which was seeing someone in industry and seeing that, oh, I can do this too, which is incredibly valuable for them. So I essentially had a lecture theatre full of students, and I just kind of, while one of the speakers or when it was open up for questions, I kind of jumped in front of the lecture theatre and said, does anyone want to ask anything? And I got a room full of hands up. So I just kind of chose key students that I wanted to who wanted to ask their questions, and I knew they should have their questions answered. And I popped a couple into the chat, and they were able to, I think it was you, Kieran, that you were there, and you kind of read what was in the chat, and you picked a couple of questions and had those answered. And those students in particular, I could tell that the feeling of their question, being able to ask a question into this kind of abyss and to this person that loads of people are listening to, and have their question answered, was really, really positive for them, because they feel like it is, like you say, interactive, and that they are part of that assembly rather than just kind of watching a lecture, basically.